I am Soumalya Santra. As a hydroponic and gardening enthusiast, I have always wanted to grow vegetables in my own home places. But I don't know how to set up this farm, where to get the infrastructure and the materials from, and moreover, where to sell it. Do you know how to solve this problem?
To address all these issues, I am here. Hi, myself Hannan, the founder of CYIF0709, a farming service and construction business.
So what service are we providing to you? As you can contact us, we will be providing you a construction service. For example, if you are having a house in urban area, we will be trying to set up an end-to-end solution of hydroponic from A to Z solution.
So, what is hydroponics? Hydroponics is nothing but a modernized way of farming where we can grow green leaf vegetables, fruits and other types of expensive crops in an enclosed area with 90% less water and without insecticide and pesticides.
It is our responsibility to sell your crop into the market through our market analytic team. Our market analytic team will do a research on the prices of the particular crop that you had grown, and we will directly sell that crop to the food facility center, hotel, restaurant and who are collaborating with us.
So join us in this urban revolution, one rooftop at a time.